So hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Buddies, and today we will see that how to use section tags. So as you can see, I have opened one my Chrome browser, and at the other side I have opened my Visual Code. So inside Visual Code, uh, I have made the basic structure, and I have given the title section text, which you can see that here it is written. Okay, so let me close this panel, which is here, and there is a shortcut key also for this. Okay, so now uh, inside body tag, now for section to have a section, first we have to see that what is the use of section tags. Why do we use sections? Okay, in HTML. So if we are working on a big project, so in big project there are many things, like many pages or many sections in a website. So for for parting them, or we can also say that for dividing them, we use section tags. It is bit similar like div tags also. If you don't know that what are div tags, so if first go to that div tag video in my channel, and then in which I have explained two very important concept of div tags and classes and ID attribute also, which is very important for our programming. So as you can see, I have created these two sections here, and if I will press enter, so it will format it like this. So now here I want, so I can add many sections like this. Yeah. So I can add many sections. So as you can see that I have added three section tags in between. I have added two HR tags. If you don't know that what are HR tags, so let me explain you in short that HR tags are tags in which we can create a line in HTML. So let's give some spacing for them, and let's save it and go to our browser. So as you can see that there are two HR tags, and if I show you by zoom in, so this is a line of HR tag, and this is section 1, section 2, and section 3. So these are very small because we haven't done any we haven't put the space which is required for it. So no problem, we will do that also. First of all, let's see that what is a section tag. So section tag we use, as I have told you, that to division or give parts to, that this is part 1, this is part 2, or not part, give it sections. Let's, I have for example, I have created one section. Okay, and in this section I have given an attribute of class. So in this class tag, if you don't know that what is a class tag, then you can go to the div video and watch that. I have extended this class tag and ID tag there. So inside class tag, we can add any name. For example, I am writing my name here, and one more class here, and writing their tag, and one more class here, and writing their buddies. Okay, so I have put it these three classes in a section tag. So if I save it and go here, so nothing you can see is changed because we have only named that. Okay, so let's go to inspect here, and if I go here and put do this like this. Okay, not here. Let me show you here only inside body tags. We have three sections which we have created and three classes. So classes, as you can see here, when I click on this, there is written on the line, there is written section dot Vishwesh classes. If you remember and you have watched that video, then that class, if we want to know about class, that it is a class, then there is put it a dot behind beside the name. So here in all here is tag and here is buddies. So as you can see that there are three sections, and if you think that section 3 is so large and section 1 and 2 is so small, so it is not that. It is you are thinking like that because if I put the HR here also, then it will put a line here because it's the length is by default this only, and if I want that I need more space for that, then I can do that with CSS on H or HTML only. So we haven't put it a line or a border, as you can say. So we haven't had a line there. So you thought that this whole space is section, but not that. This is only the space for section. This is the section 2 and the section 1. Okay. So uh, let's create some let me put some tag in these all sections quickly. So now as you can see that I have written something in both in all these sections in h1, or I have created h1 tags in all the sections and written some text inside that. If you don't know that what are h1, that they are heading tags. If you don't know about detail in it, then you can go to my heading tag video, which is present in the channel only. So let's go here, and now here, please, it is written, please subscribe my channel tag buddies. As we have written this in section 1, please subscribe my channel tag buddies. So you can do that. It will give you a positive energy. So please try that. Here it is written, please like this video and share it with your friends. So this is correct only. You can like this video and share it with your friends so they can also learn this amazing topic. Now in third, I have written, please watch this video till I have to write here, and I don't know why it is not done that. Okay, till end. And as you can see, please watch this video till end. I have put it this one, and okay, no problem. And then without speaking any part of it, okay, without skipping or any part of it, so you can understand this topic in detail and very properly, because these are the basics which I am uploading. And as you can see that I have created a playlist also of tech buddies, right? So you can go there and so as you can see, this is my channel, and here I have uploaded many videos, and inside playlist you can see there are four playlists, right? Tab base is Hindi, and this is a playlist in which sorry, uh, okay, let's close it. Yeah. So this is a playlist, not this one. Yeah, this is tab HTML basics English and HTML basics Hindi. You will also see this. You can also see this video in Hindi in this playlist, and if you want this language only, you can go to HTML basics English. The videos which are here, the same videos you can find here, but only the difference is the changing of this language, because if I open this, so here some like this English language, and some of you like this one this what is the, yeah, Hindi language. So here you can find this video. Now you can here you cannot find this one video which is I am recording, because this is the time which I am recording, and I have not uploaded. But when you will watch this video, then it will be uploaded. Okay, so here I have uploaded many topics, so you can watch them. And this much only for now. Let's meet in our next video. Until that, bye. And before going, you should do one important thing. You should click this subscribe button before going if you are new, and click on this bell icon and press on all. So this much only for now. Let's meet in our next video. Till that, bye.